In today's video, I'm going to show you how to duplicate anything here in Google Sheets. So there are so many things that you can duplicate within your spreadsheet. You can duplicate your data, you can duplicate your sheets, and you can even duplicate your file. So 3 examples that I'm going to show you on how to duplicate here in Google Sheets. The first one would be with your data. Let's say you want a value repeated or duplicated in a number of cells. Here's how you can do it. So if I try and put in a value right here, basically just the word value, and I want it duplicated in this range right here. So 20 rows within one column, I want to duplicate this value right here. So what I'm going to do is to click on that cell, drag it down until the range where I want that value duplicated. Then just press Ctrl D or Command D on my keyboard. There you have it. I've quickly duplicated the same value within that range. So that's duplicating the same value within that column. Now, what if we wanted to duplicate a sheet? Now, we can easily do that by going to our sheet or tab right here at the bottom. Then go to the drop-down and just select Duplicate. So that's how easy you can duplicate your sheets. Just open the drop-down, click on Duplicate, and there you have it. So we have a copy of sheet 1 right here. So this is the original and this is the copy. Now, what if you want to make a quick copy or duplicate of your entire spreadsheet? You can easily do that by going to File here in the menu bar and select Make a Copy. So if I click on this one right here, it will now show me the copy document with the name copy of this file. Then I can select which folder I can save it to. Once I've selected that, I can now make a copy. Click on that, and there you have it. It has opened the copy or our duplicate of our file in a new tab. So that's how easy you can duplicate your values, your tabs, or your entire spreadsheet right here in Google Sheets. Now, if you still need extra help with Sheets, I've got a free guide linked in the description below that you should definitely check out. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.